Welcome to the basement, home of Piva Brew. This is gonna be a blonde ale. Got the husk in there. My favorite part of brewing is, well, drinking it. My name is Matt Piva from Coventry, Rhode Island. I'm a high school history teacher, and I like making beer. It's pretty damn good. About 4 or 5 years ago for Christmas, I got a homebrew kit, and the rest is history. I like to tinker, gadgets, all that stuff, and when I fell into homebrewing, there's just endless avenues for that. So that was the hook. So I first discovered tilt when I was looking for kind of a remedy of my sanitation process, because I wanted to know these data points while the beer was fermenting. You know, that was around the time I realized that I messed up my first couple of batches by looking in, taking samples, and that's when somebody told me about tilt. I looked into it, and that was kind of the aha moment of kind of getting the information I wanted without ruining my batches. It was extremely easy to use, and it was actually significantly easier than the process before, taking samples without trying to infect anything. So I went from, in the beginning using tilt to just see what was going on, to now I have advanced my knowledge a little bit. If I want to dry hop, if I want to diacetyl rest, I just log on to see if it's time yet. All right, so this is the Raspberry Pi, and I can go to the cloud log. In this Google Doc, I have it set for every half hour to send data on what the current readings are of the gravity and of the current temperature. So the Tilt Pro and its increased range is going to be fantastic for me, especially as I've gotten a little bit more advanced in the hobby. The fact that Tilt Pro will work for me now, but also in that next step as a brewery, I'm excited that it's something I can use as I homebrew and also take with me to the commercial level. I've daydreamed a lot about that. I'd love to turn this hobby into something more. I don't know what that's going to look like right now, but that is the dream. Creating a community place of friends, neighbors, that really excites me. That'd be great to have a family business. We're all part of that in some way, which would, that'd be awesome. I say right now this is a dream, but having a kid, or soon to be having a kid, is something that kind of fuels me, because you want to teach your kids, chase your dreams. So I think that was something I might say to my future self is, good on you for showing your son that you have something that you can go chase it.